I read a story about an Orthodox person who wanted to speak with a secular one. He wanted to talk faith with him. He wanted to say words of Torah to him. And when he started talking in a friendly way, the secular person was very disrespectful and looked at this Orthodox person and asked him, "Did you get the feeling that I want to hear what you have to say? Like, how did it came to you, that idea that I care about your thoughts that you're sharing? Like, why are you sharing it with me? Like, I don't care. I don't want to hear you." So this Orthodox person looked at him and said, "It's written, Derech Eretz kadma laTorah. Manners, good behavior, good attributes are premier to Torah keeping. They're earlier. They are a must. They're a need for Torah keeping. There's no way to keep Torah without having good manners." And I looked at you, the Orthodox person said, and I saw that definitely you don't have Torah in you. Like, it was clear that knowledge of Torah you don't have. So I hoped that maybe Derech Eretz you will have, at least that you will be polite. But now I see that also Derech Eretz that cannot be found in you. So some are dropping even the basics. Some are dropping the most important foundations, solid pillars of our lives, like truth, like loyalty, honesty, generosity, to have a beating live heart. Now, a person will judge himself most likely based on his shape, on how people will appreciate or value him, and on. He will say, I have a lot of Torah or small amount of Torah. I learned a lot or not learned a lot. I am praying with good intention. I'm not praying enough. I'm not praying at all. I'm keeping mitzvot. I'm not keeping mitzvot. I have money. I don't have money. I bought a house. I don't have a house. And not like. But Hashem does not look at those things at all. Because who can buy a house if Hashem did not give him a house? Who can learn Torah if Hashem never taught him Torah? Who can pray to Hashem with the right intention if Hashem did not open his lips and helped him to praise? Who can do anything? Who can move a finger in this world, in this lifetime, without Hashem running endless amounts of systems to operate one finger move, to coordinate and synchronize with the rest of the details and particles of the world? Like, who can be part of this enormous, perfect movement that is all based on unity, that is all based on the fact that it is all one? It's all one, and that's how it moves in its unity. There is no movement of one fish in the Mediterranean Sea without that movement affect large fish or small boats in the Black Sea. Different areas of the world are moving together in harmony, in perfection, as one unit, because it's all reflection of the Maker from above, a reflection that cannot be seen from within, just from outside. That's why we cannot grasp the whole complete picture. But it is what it is. Hashem echad u'shmo echad. Hashem is one and His name is one. And His names are the reflections. All aspects of creations are sounds and sights and depths of Hashem's unity. They're all reflecting His godliness in an endless way, in an enormous, fantastic way.